How to fix DeepSeek the server is busy, please try again later error. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you're using DeepSeek AI and you're getting the response that the server is busy, please try again later, then the first thing you want to do is open up any web browser. Now you want to type status.deepseek.com and search for that. Here you should be able to see if DeepSeek server is down. So as you can see, there was an issue with DeepSeek server, but the update is that this issue has been identified and a fix is being implemented. So if the server is down, you want to wait out until they fix that problem. If it is not down, then what you can do is open the DeepSeek app, tap on these lines, then tap on your email address. Now tap on the log out option. Go ahead and tap on log out over here. After you have been logged out, you again want to enter your credentials and then log into your account. And now check if the error has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, open up your settings. Now tap on apps. Then find DeepSeek. Now tap on the storage option. Now tap on clear cache. This should also help fix this problem. If it is not fixed, then you can try uninstalling the app. Once it has been uninstalled, you again want to install it and then log into your account. And with these steps, you will be able to fix this problem. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.